y bas ymlaen, i'r sianel, chwilio am Williams. Williams yn erbyn Mitchell Williams, sydd ar gerdyn melyn, cynnar. Williams yn croesi'n dda, a'r peniad ychydig heibio'r postyn gan Ben Fawcett. Keach eto mewn at y postyn agosa, o, dyna chi arbediad gan Edwards. Oddi ar Williams ac yna'r ergyd gan Curtis Rees ymhell dros y bar. Mewn i'r canol, o, Pemberton y capten mor agos ar ei ymddangosiad ola yng Nghrys yr adar gleision. Summerfield gwibio lawr y chwith ac yna'n rhyddhau Cameron Keach. Williams y Fawcett yn y canol, ac Williams, o! Blaen trod yn codi'r bêl dros y bar unwaith eto. Pemberton y cyffyrddiad lleia, a mae di mynd mewn oddi ar un o amddiffynwyr y Derwyddon. Mae'r adar gleision ar y blaen. Keach eto yn ei chrymanu ddi mewn. A gol i rwyd i hun gan Joe Fow. Wojciech Gajden i tharo'n hir, dim cam sefyll yn erbyn Keach. Keach oedd yna drosedd gan Ben Edwards. Oedd yn wir, fe gath Cameron Keach i lorio gan y gol geidwad ifanc. Williams o'r smotyn yn erbyn Edwards, yma Edwards yn arbed, a mae Scotcher yno, a mae'n arbediad rhagorol arall gan Ben Edwards. Yr ergyd i'w dde gan Danny Williams. Edwards yn taflu hunan i'w harbed hi. Mae'r arwydd gan Keach. Tancock yn codi, a Tancock yn ychwanegu'r ail ar 3 phwynt o'r diwedd yn dod i Hwlffordd. Williams at Fawcett, Fawcett yn rheoli ar ei frest. Keach, taro'r postyn, Williams, mae'n dair, ond mae'n y gam sefyll yn erbyn Danny Williams. Gath e rwystro o'r smotyn yn gynharach, a'r bêl yn tasgu iddi ar y postyn. Williams yn rwydo, ond cam sefyll yn erbyn y blaenwr bach. Keach at Fawcett. Fawcett yn rhedeg yn uniongyrchol ac yn ar draws ar ergyd eisiau yn cael ei harbed, a mae hwnna'n greulon. Ond mae yna gam sefyll unwaith eto yn erbyn Marcus Griffiths y tro hwn. Oedd Fawcett i gwneud y gwaith caib a rhaw, yr ergyd yn cael ei harbed gan Edwards, ond yna'n gollwng y bêl i lwybr Griffiths, ond Griffiths yn cam sefyll wrth rwydo.
You know, we're obviously on the back of a bad run ourselves, so it's important that we finish the season well. You know, obviously I think we thoroughly deserved winners today. Most probably should have been a lot more, with all due respect. But, you know, the way we set out, we aim for a clean sheet, the game plan, and obviously take our chances, which maybe wasn't the case. But listen, it's 3 points for us. We've ended the season on a high. We've achieved our goals, which we set out 10th or above. So, you know, yeah, we look forward and we move on to next season now.
Ultimately, we said before the game, nothing's really expected of us, so go out and enjoy it. No point in lying about the fact some of these players won't be with us next season, so it was just go out, enjoy the occasion. Ultimately disappointed to still come off with a loss, 2 set pieces, but that seems to be the story of our season at times.
Sean Pemberton, Hwlffordd captain, a really emotional afternoon for you, your final appearance in a Bluebird shirt. What triggered that decision?
Age and the belly, I think. But yeah, I've been thinking about it for a while, and you know, it's nice to go out playing in the Prem, to be honest. I don't want to just hang on and be a passenger, so I'd rather just go out now.
And it was good to finish on a high with 3 points as well, and you could have had a hat-trick.
Well, I would have taken one, but yeah, nice to finish on a high, because it's been a tough second half of the season, obviously, since the split. We've only won one, so yeah, to get the 3 points is great.
It's most probably our busiest period now. You know, obviously we get things in motion, and you know, our targets will be different next season. There'll be more investment in the first team squad. So, you know, we've identified certain players, and what we knew we missed this year, we need to bring more experience in, and hopefully we can do that.
I think it's been a difficult season for all football clubs. So on that note, in terms of congratulations to Connah's Quay, in my eyes, deserving winners of the league. I think every club in the world possibly has struggled on and off the field. It's been a difficult season. We were well aware of that come the start of the season in terms of the recruitment and the stop-start periods that we've had. From that, ultimately, the recruitment wasn't what it needed to be from ourselves as coaching staff and as a club. That's certainly something that we've been speaking about for a number of weeks now. Ultimately, on Tuesday we do a review of the season, and from there we'll certainly be looking to bring in some new players.